Horses out, we have Gold Money, past the begin, moving a party out, so now Miss Delicious. Oh, there was a spill. Rider up horse, Cool Cielo, EL Blanca Flor, Lepan seated. We have Miss Delicious, the leader by about 4 lengths now. Gold Money in second, Danori inside, moving up by the rail is Enigmatic, then followed over now by Bagong Barrio, Exciting, and the real thing, Miss Delicious by about 6 lengths, and in second now is Exciting, Bagong Barrio now moving up to take third, and in fourth comes the real thing, then followed over by number 1 Enigmatic and Gold Money. Miss Delicious, Exciting is on the outside, and in third means Bagong Barrio, the real thing in fourth, then followed by Enigmatic and Gold Money. Miss Delicious once again back to a length and a half lead, and in second is Exciting, the real thing moving up by the third. In between horses is Bagong Barrio as they come down at the last 150. Miss Delicious followed by the real thing. Bagong Barrio is on the outside, but it's still Miss Delicious, the real thing. Bagong Barrio is on the outside. Miss Delicious still in front, followed now by Bagong Barrio, the real thing. And entering the finish line, it's Miss Delicious second, Bagong Barrio. Then comes number 4, the real thing.
All right, we had an incident here at the just right in front of the grandstand. Itong si Edwin Blanco Flor.